Yeah, peeps, so we are looking for the Holland Great House and we end up down in our farm, like seriously, one potato and cassava farm. You see me? Me don't know we end up down here, so peeps. But anyway, I think it's on the other road, so we'll come back out and go around to our next road, yeah? Nestled within the picturesque landscapes of St. Thomas in the east, Jamaica, the Holland Estate stood as a testament to both breathtaking beauty and the dark shadows of colonial exploitation. Built in 1771 and acquired by the notorious Simon Taylor, the estate's history was as complex as it was captivating. At first glance, the Holland Estate exuded an aura of tranquility and grandeur. Stretching across vast expanses of fertile land, lush greenery enveloped the sprawling sugar plantations, while the gentle breeze from the nearby Plantain Garden River carried the sweet scent of sugarcane through the air. The estate's imposing manor, with its elegant architecture and sweeping verandas, stood as a symbol of opulence and luxury, a stark contrast to the harsh realities lurking beneath its facade. Yet behind the manicured edges and ornate facades lay a darker truth, a truth obscured by centuries of exploitation and suffering. The Holland Estate, like many others of its time, was built on the backs of enslaved laborers, whose toil and anguish were conveniently overlooked in the pursuit of profit. So peeps, this is one of the structures. This seems to have been the slave quarters, because the house is further up. I'm showing the house also. But this seems to have been the slave quarters. And now it's a farm, guys. Wow. See peeps, yeah man, stone. Original stone construction, yeah? So this seems to have been the slave quarters. I think that there was a lot of other constructions here, but they were broken down to facilitate farming. Alright? Yeah man, so see that again, peeps. Guys, another house was over here, but it was actually burnt down. That's part of the construction, guys. Alright. Yeah peeps, this is a part of the construction. See there? This is part of the walls, but it was burnt down back then. Alright, so yeah, we're going to the Great House now. You feel like I saw the alligator in there. This is the bridge, guys. Yeah, but it's been blocked by a tractor, so we can't go over this. But anyway, guys, the building is right up there. I'm gonna show you guys the building. So this is the bridge. We take a doctor right here, guys. Yeah, so we'll move up to the Great House now. The plantation house, the estate house, peeps. See it? Can you imagine, guys, how this was back in the days? When you look upon this. Yeah guys, so this is the estate house, guys, the Holland Estate. Yeah, yeah peeps, this is the Holland Estate. I'll finally find it. Yeah peeps, this was the Great House for this estate, and it was a very, very large house, guys. It gone all the way back up, but I'm gonna show you guys some of this from the front also. Alright, you see it, Bill, peeps? You see that? All the way up. Yeah, peeps. So I'm gonna, like, piece more that another. Go through the farm. Yeah, guys, here's another piece of the house. Like, seriously? Yeah, guys. Like, we'll find it at the wall of the house in a piece more there, so. Piece there, so. This was a very big house, guys. If you look down there, so, there's a piece down there, so. Yeah, I want to see this right here, so. And then there's the next piece up there. Like, seriously, people. You know, we'll find it, guys. This is the Holland Great House. You never know where to find it. Today. Yeah guys, this is the Holland Great House. Eh? Come on. You know the house there, no? One tunnel down there, no? Guys, there's a tunnel. There's a tunnel down there. Let me show you all this. Smell like somebody a cook. See it, peeps? There's a tunnel down there, guys. Inside of the house. Yeah, man. Yeah, peeps. There's also column under there. A street, yeah. Hold on. Yeah, guys, this is from the front. Alright. And this is the other side of the building now, guys. It's very large, peeps. This was a living This was a living quarters, guys. But that over there, so that was reserved for the slave master. The side that we just saw. Alright, so here, peeps, you find it. This is the Holland Great House. And then we still have a next piece out there to look at. We still have a piece more for showing, you know, the entrance, you know. There's a big house out on the entrance, guys. Yeah, guys, this is the house. We'll find it. The Holland Great House is actually found and documented by Elite Jamaica. And type Elite Jamaica in the comment section down below if you confirm that, alright? That's inside, peeps. Yeah? The board them still there, you know, guys. And I see board them years and I'm still there here. So guys, no matter what we're going to Jamaica, you know, we still have to find the Great House them. And yeah, this is the Holland Great House, found and documented by Elite Jamaica. Alright. Yeah, man. You see something else, Daddy? Gully? Oh. Water wheel supply. Oh, that was down there so them supply the water from, you know, peeps. Because the gully was right here, so that was where they supply the water from. I guess the water mill was right there also, that's why it was so much cold, but underneath the ground. Alright, so we'll go back out on the main road now. Yeah, peeps. Go back out on the main road. This piece of building up there, sir. That's out on the front, man. But we have a piece out on the front. But this is a brick we walk on the building. We walk on building, peeps. Look at this, guys. This is another piece of the construction right here, guys. This is another piece of the construction. So the building, it was all over here. Yeah? All over the place, guys. And I see like, I see piece more down here, so. Jeez. Guys, piece more down here, so, you know. The house, the big peeps. This is another piece of the house. Yeah? This is another piece of the house, guys. There's another tunnel down here to peeps. Yeah, guys, that's it from there. These are some very heavy columns. Yeah? We don't know why Jamaicans or Americans left going to Egypt, go research history when it's right here. Alright? Yeah. This is another column here, guys. Another tunnel going under there, peeps. Alright. I see one under there. I see I can show one under there. Alright? I'm gonna flip the camera some more, guys. Yeah, look now. See that, peeps? Yeah? Can you see it? Alright. So we'll search for the next entrance, guys. Yeah? All of this here was part of the construction, guys. All of this was part of the construction. I'm gonna know where the next tunnel come out, but I really do think, guys, that it runs up to the next piece of construction that we see up at the entrance. Alright, so I'm gonna show you that, guys. My father gone for the car, so I'm gonna go back out on the road and meet him out here. So And there's still more building up top, guys, so I'm gonna show you that also. Yeah, peeps. This, guys, now we've got more construction here, guys. Yeah, we've got more construction here leading down to the next part of the great house. This is a part of the column, you know, peeps. Alright, so you know the tunnel them run come right up back up here, so alright. Yeah, man, me take a picture of this. Yeah, peeps, this is the columns, guys. So the tunnel is running underground right back up. Yeah, so the tunnel is running underground coming right up. So I have to go find where the tunnel end up. Yeah, guys, this is more construction from the house. Since we're on a road right now, because this is one side and that is one side over there, guys. But I can't go through this, so peeps, so I'm gonna walk around and see where it leads. Yeah. So guys, that's the column under there, guys. Yeah, that's the gutter under there. I'm not sure where the tunnel a while ago lead, but it should have run and come up back. But because these places have been what do I call it, dilapidated over the years, so therefore we can't really find the trace evidence to know where what was, you know. But yeah, guys, I think we reached to the end of the road. This is a barbed wire fence. We can't cross it, so I turn back. Come here. Yeah. Yeah, guys, so that's the tunnel again. And that's the bridge. Seems like that was the driving road originally to get to the plantation down there. Alright, so I think we're gonna have more structures to see, but there's piece out on the road, guys. I'm showing you that piece out on the road. Alright, yeah, man. So now follow me. Yeah, peeps, and now I'm gonna show you the first entrance to the great house. This is our next building, our next site, but first I see something curious. I see one tree with one hole in it. I'm showing you that, peeps. Wanna watch this? Yeah, guys, so this is the tree, guys. There's a hole inside of the tree, yeah? I don't know what the up top, I'm showing you what the up top. Now look and tell me. Alright, so yeah, peeps, that's the tree, guys. So now I'm gonna show you the building, guys, the rest of the building. This is the rest of the building, guys. Yeah, peeps, this seems to have been the first entrance. This seems to have been the building at the entrance of the estate. And you know, look, guys, like seriously, this amazing. Yeah, all the way up there. And we have down here, guys, under here. And we have around here. This seems to have been a step. Yeah, it's a step going up there, up to the second floor. Yeah, peeps. You see it. Yeah, guys, I'm not sure what this building was, but I will let you guys know as soon as the video is being updated. Alright, so yeah, guys, that's the step right there. And this is the rest of the building here. Then we have over here this section. Yeah, peeps. I'm not sure what that piece of iron there was for. And then we have over here the next piece of iron in the middle of the room again. Not sure what that was for, guys. But yeah, we'll move around to the next side. And there's another piece of iron in this room. Yeah, you see the bricks, guys. But it seems someone has taken over this place to farm or plant flowers. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna touch that. Yeah, guys, so this is the front of the building. peeps, there seems to have been a step right here. Yeah, a step that went upstairs, up on top of the building, guys. Yeah. So, yeah, and it seems there was another building over there, but we're not get to go over there, so still, peeps. Alright, so this is the one we're focusing on. Alright. We have another entrance right here, guys. Yeah. Then we have the back of the building. Yeah, peeps. So this was a house. This was actually a house, guys. Yeah. From back then, this was the head of the plantation. If you notice the gate posts them outside, peeps. See the gate posts them there? Yeah. We're gonna walk through them right now. Them are the gate column, the brick walls there, peeps. I think this was a great house, you know, guys. See it? So guys, I really think this was the great house. Yeah. Yeah, peeps. So we're moving on. Peeps, and I see that column there, so yeah, that's another column of the house, guys. And then we'll go over here, so now. That's one of the buildings, guys. And then we have another right here. You see it? The next column over there. Yeah, peeps, so we move along. Just hope no one is here. Yeah, guys, so see the peeps. It's like it was a storage area, guys. Yeah. And then we have around here. This is slavery construction, just the very same. We have here going around here and so on a while ago, I nearly run. Yeah, peeps. This was part of the great house, as you notice the columns, but someone has built here. So yeah, we're on private property. But guys, you see that over there, so? Like seriously? And these buildings, that building was reconstructed to turn into a warehouse, as you notice the construction, no? And then we have this right here, yeah? So, we're moving on. So that building, guys, was storage for grain and stuff like that. Alright? Yeah, man. So, moving on, peeps. That's the other building right there, guys. Alright, let me show you a look around here before my battery go dead. Because somebody out there so my father keep them busy. Here, peeps. This is the construction that was a part of the column, guys. Yeah? Coming across. And we have this right here. And then that over there. Very interesting piece of architecture, guys. Yeah? Very, very interesting piece of architecture right here. You see that, peeps? So my father keep somebody busy while we get the film. Yeah, I'm not sure what is inside here, guys, but we're in our warehouse. This is scary. Yeah? I'm gonna look around us and see what around us, guys. Alright? Yeah, peeps. This is another room right here. That's the back of the construction there. And this is another room down here. Yeah? So I'm gonna go back up further. I hear one sound, guys. I don't know what. But now I can look and try showing it before then find out. So guys, as you notice, this was part of the construction. This was part of the older construction right here, guys. Yeah. About around, so this was part of the construction. Yeah. So we'll move back forward. Go back. It seems like where the pigs are on here, guys. Water is right there. That's water right there, guys. I'm gonna fall back on this. Looks like where the pigs here. So I'm make case and get out of that place. Yeah, peeps. But this was part of the construction, guys. Yeah. This round here, I'm not sure what this was, but this seems to have been a well, guys. This was a well. This was indeed a well. You notice it's circle and all of that. This was indeed a well. Alright. Salamat so much. Over up.